I was deboarding a plane, and this air hostess wanted a picture, and she's taking a picture, and right when she's taking a picture, she's like, "Kab aa raha hai?" And then the pilot also came out, asked the same thing, "Kab aa raha hai?"
Not a bad problem to have, I think.
It's a good problem to have.
It's okay. I'll take it. I mean, you do what you do. Jet lag. That's one thing I deal with. But इतना भी नहीं है, मतलब.
हाँ.
इधर-उधर जाते रहता हूँ.
इधर-उधर पूरी दुनिया घूमते रहते हो अभी तो.
I remember right before I say तुम नहीं मारोगे मकबूल हम मारेंगे, there's somebody standing behind me saying, "Hey, egg fried rice आ रहा है कि chicken fried?" Vijay just told us that his favorite co-actor is himself.
Hello, welcome to Ignorance. My name is Jigar Shah, and today we are with the cast of Mirzapur, Rasika, Vijay Varma, Harshita, and Ali Fazal. Guys, Mirzapur 3, the moment I heard the background sound, I'm like, okay, then now we are back happening with it. Okay, now it's been 3 years to 4 years when the last season ended, and now it's back with the latest season. Which has been the most weirdest place people have asked you next season kab aa raha hai? Which has been the most weirdest place?
While I'm literally निवाला मुंह में है मेरे. और उसमें दौरान 2 दफा पूछ लिया सर कब आ रहा है. That was just like.
I was deboarding a plane, and this air hostess wanted a picture. So I went aside, and a couple of them were greeting the passengers on their way out, and she's taking a picture, and right when she's taking a picture, she's like, "Kab aa raha hai?" And she didn't even say Mirzapur. Kab aa raha hai?
They hardly say Mirzapur. They see you and they say
Kab aa raha hai is Mirzapur.
Kab aa raha hai Mirzapur is like a done deal.
And then the pilot also came out, asked the same thing. Kab aa raha hai?
These two lines have become तकिया कलाम. वो सब तो ठीक है. और ये कब आ रहा है?
And generally flights and all. एक बार air hostess ने पूछा कि कब आ रहा है while she was serving.
Wow.
So I mean.
Hope next time pilot will ask on the mic only. PM से पूछ लेगा next time.
It's like the Matrix, you know, like they're all hidden Andersons, those Mrs. Smiths, right? And they just come and like suddenly the mask opens up, like just a little bit and go, kab aa raha hai? And then they're back to their like civilian life and everything, like we're all normal people and
Kab aa raha hai?
Kab aa raha hai?
True. Okay. No, Ali, you know, it's been 3 years to the last season. You end up going to US, to abroad to do those Firang films and all, and then you come back and do a very desi show like this. So how do you adjust with these two extremes?
Not a bad problem to have, I think.
It's a good problem to have.
It's okay. I'll take it. I mean, you do what you do. Jet lag. That's one thing I deal with. But इतना भी नहीं है, मतलब.
हाँ.
इधर-उधर जाते रहता हूँ.
इधर-उधर पूरी दुनिया घूमते रहते हो अभी तो.
No, it's fun. Yeah, I'm very, very happy. I can share notes on both sides of the world. Yeah.
Okay. Now, Harshita, you probably are the most non-violent person in this show. Has it ever been a point when you asked Guru, "Bhai, gun दे दे, knife दे दे, कुछ तो दे, किसी का तो खून करूँ मैं."
Personally, Harshita has asked, "अरे कुछ डालो ना यार." वो season 2 के starting में एक ऐसा glimpse आता है where I'm, trying to kill that person and don't.
That's actually a great scene. Apparently, I heard that actor had hit you on the tree.
So that's
not on the padded side. They had kept a safe.
Anyway, that day was like I was limping because I had a knee injury, and on that day itself, 6:30 was my call time. I reached at 11 because I had diarrhea the day before that. Between shots, I was just passing out. And Gurupa was just coming and pressing my temples. Baba is feeding me electrol. That's how I've done that scene.
It was very hot. Maliabad ki
very
garmi
hot.
mein, yeah.
गर्मी और
great
मिर्जापुर
scene.
तो साथ में ही चलता है.
That's the thing. Vijay, season 2 had 2 Vijays. Now we have 1.
Yeah.
So is the pressure more then, or was the pressure more now? Because back then you had 2 separate entities to play. Now you have one who's playing.
Yeah.
Vijay just told us that his favorite co-actor is himself.
Nice one.
मैं अपने आप को सामने रख के
इतनी वैनिटी हो गई है कि बिल्कुल ही गिर गए हैं.
I think it has been different, but at the same time to pack them both in one is also interesting, I feel. And at the same time, I think some metamorphosis is happening for this character, which I'm very excited about, and also waiting to watch myself. We'll be able to talk more when it's out.
You know, after what you said, in my head, I felt like Mr. Bachchan's scene from Amar Akbar Anthony, talking to the mirror.
putting a band-aid.
Yeah, except I had a tennis ball in front of me.
Oh yeah, for the.
How did it feel to look at yourself like that? Well-rounded character.
It's more like Tom Hanks.
No, Rasika, I loved the way where season 2 ended for you. With like there was this moment wherein you literally got everything out in it. What was that feeling as your character at that point when you went through? Did you feel that दो season की सारी भड़ास निकल गई एक point के अंदर एक scene के अंदर?
That's how I felt when I was reading the scene. But you know how it happens when you're shooting the scene. We had gone into 1.5 shifts. Everybody was hungry, and I remember right before I say, "तुम नहीं मारोगे मकबूल, हम मारेंगे." There's somebody standing behind me saying, "Hey, egg fried rice आ रहा है कि chicken?"
Oh wow.
So yeah, it was late into the night. Everybody was tired. The only person who was totally in the scene and dedicated to every moment of it was Kulbhushan Kharbanda. He is so good.
Yeah.
It's outstanding the kind of energy that person has.
You know, I love when he does like this. जब वो पता लगता है कि बीना मारने वाली है, and his hand goes like, अब ये मारेंगी.
And we were all almost wilting, you know, but his energy sort of carried us through that.
Wow. But how does so on a set when you're so much in that emotion in that particular point when someone says behind egg fried rice जो भी आ रहा है, what is that mood? What does that feel? Do you move the anger that side? क्या कर रहा है तू?
You know, in the earlier years when I had started acting, I think I would always feel that I needed my own space and small things would disturb me and all of that. And then along the journey, I just realized that whatever happens, you have to take it along with you. You can't be especially in the way that we shoot, you can't be looking for a quiet spot. Whatever happens around you, you have to accept it and make it a part of what you're doing. You can't be asking for, I don't at least. I don't ask for headphones or anything. I've just learned to work with whatever's happening around me.
Okay. But do you feel odd when you are doing a particular scene and someone else in some corner of the room which is very, very opposite to what you are doing? Does it keep you off? Does it make you off?
I mean, if it's like really loud noise, and people chatting.
Or big movements in your eye line, that bothers me.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Like, but it depends on the context of it.
Yeah.
Like if we're doing a scene inside a room, in a quiet room, and then there's this kind of distraction, then it's a distraction. But public mein agar ho raha hai, then it's fine. You have to also understand that you're shooting a scene in a public space where in context also there would have been public and movement. So that's okay.
Okay. Now, you know, it's been 5 years since season 1 came out. You three of them were part of since the season 1. He came in season 2. How do you go back to the character, or is it like second skin now?
Kind of is. We've shot the memories, no?
Yeah. Like you don't have to find for new emotional memory.
Yeah, I mean, that's the little advantage I feel we have. Because you don't have to remember and create, go deep into text and everything, because we've had season 1, we've had season 2.
Yeah.
But do you go back and watch it? Like before you begin season 3 or next season, do you go and watch your past work?
No.
I don't.
I mean, I haven't.
Because I feel actually going back to a subsequent season is quite a interesting confusion.
Yeah.
Because it's like, how much do you remember? You know, you have to somewhat keep a track of what's been happening, but at the same time, you've watched it as a viewer. So you don't want to remember too much in case you start. I always worry that I don't want to mimic myself, you know. I want to sort of stay away from that. Yeah. So wo confusion rehti hai. But I think the costume, the sets, having the same director over 3 seasons has been the biggest blessing, I think, for me. And so even if you don't watch it, I feel like they'll remember, and something will remind me about something
like
about
the memory now will,
yes,
which is there.
Something will remind me about the character. So I stay away from watching it.
That's how. I mean, if you look at it, and I said this before in one interview, that's how our normal memories are, right?
Yeah.
They're not very clear.
Correct.
So we take, and natural instinct is to pick the best out of it or the worst out of it. Middle ka you sort of skip. Screenplay banate अपन लोग भी naturally.
Correct.
So it's good not to watch. Whatever you remember, and then you add on to it.
See, the team who's making it knows the whole rhythm, the DNA of the show. So when you read it, it's already there. So it offers you everything that you need. So actors doesn't need to go back. I mean, it could help, but for some people, to each his own. But I was like कि ये तो सब है इसके अंदर सारा history सबका carry करके आगे बढ़ रहा है. And he's also like how Rasika said, we have the same DOP and the same director from season 1, and all the major head of departments and major crew is from season 1 till now. So they are more in sync with what has happened in the past, and if I do something, they'll correct me. So it's very, very well cushioned.
Oh, lovely. Okay. Now, it's a very rare that a series has third season in India, because we have the curse of second season. When second season doesn't work, we end up, which is doesn't work. Now we have the third season now, which is there. So now, is there ever this fear of season 3?
Yeah.
I mean,
As in that this would, what kind of fear?
How will it pan out? Will it live up to the expectations? Obviously.
Yeah.
more than us, I think the makers probably.
No, but I mean, it's that feeling that अब देखेंगे.
हाँ, पसंद आएगा, कितना आएगा, ये सब तो थोड़ा सा रहता है कि but we know on script it was a certain place, and we know how we shot it and how involved we were. So if everybody has decided that this is the story that we're going to tell, and we've actually gone and shot that story, so then we trust that story and we'll take it for what it is.
But has there ever been a point where you wanted to change something of your character in the 3 seasons now?
Not change, but I think I always have ideas about what more could have happened, and that's always there. And we're fortunate that we have 3 seasons now. Hopefully, वो सब जो ideas हैं वो subsequent seasons में शायद use हो जाए.
Yeah, मेरा बड़ा मन था कि double role continue कर सकूं मैं, but unfortunately.
हाँ यार, that should have, है ना?
But मिर्जापुर है,
मेरा
कोई तो
बड़ा मन है
जो
double
आया है
role
वो
करने का.
जाएगा.
वर्दी उनकी होगी.
जो आया है
मेरा
वो
बड़ा मन है डबल रोल करने का, बिना की कोई बहन जुड़वा बहन ले आते हैं उनके.
बिना की जुड़वा.
Past से.
Lalla will grow up into.
That's one theory.
That's the theory.
That Lalla will grow up into Munna.
Bina, अच्छा.
अच्छा.
वो लड़का है.
लड़का है.
Very gender fluid of you, Ali. Well done.
See, यही भूल गया वो शो में से.
नहीं, लल्ला तो पता है भाई.
बीना हो जाएगी, हो जाएगा.
Okay, now, when season 3 comes in and there are expectations of it, how do you not take back the character home? It's been 3 seasons. How do you detach yourself from a character that you've played? Because like his Guddu Bhaiya is everywhere. Your Beena is everywhere. People have wanted to kill their father-in-laws
for a very long time.
Oh wow.
But yeah, how do you detach your character? Because people have loved it so much, and as you all said, people have asked you about the next season in weirdest of places. How do you keep it away? Or you can't keep it away?
I don't know. I mean, keep it away in the sense like it doesn't infiltrate your life. You mean?
No, it doesn't regard anyway.
Yeah. वो तो फिर एक character है. Then like I try to stay away from all the social medias and the madness of Mirzapur. But the day it's over, I think we sort of run.
Like, I think it's very hard to even understand how much it's infiltrated you. Like, I think the attempt while shooting is always to be more in it, and you're always feeling, at least I'm always feeling like I'm falling short and I'm trying to get somewhere. And so it's very sort of, I can't claim to have said that, to say that it's kind of infiltrated, because I don't know. It's subconscious like that, and that's what's beautiful about it.
Pankaj Tripathi once told me that the moment he gets a check, he forgets his characters. Check आना चाहिए, बस उसको भूल गया मैं, फिर कुछ नहीं चाहिए मेरे को.
नहीं, एक installment release तक रहता है.
Cool. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.